What are you even freaking doing? You just come in here and take my marshmallows. You think that's acceptable, huh?
They called me. They're my
They called you!
Yes.
You took my marshmallows!
They called
My
me.
mom paid good money for them!
They're my friends!
I don't care if they're your friends!
He can have friends, William. And so I don't mind him having... Marshall, stop! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it right now, quick!
Hey!
Stop it!
Give me that back!
William, please don't! Oh, don't!
Oh,
Not his
no!
friend.
No!
William,
No!
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 Stop it!
No!
Stop it, boys! Stop it!
No!
Stop! Oh my gosh, stop it, William! They're just his friends! You can have different marshmallows! Oh my! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Both of you! Stop! Stop! Stop it! Stop it! Stop! Stop it! This marshmallows, turn them off! They're gonna explode! Oh my gosh! Our friends are gonna blow up! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! William, please let him have friends! Oh my gosh!
Look what you did to them!
There's your friends!
Look what you did to them!
What do you mean, what?
William!
Look what you did to them!
I don't care what I did to them!
Oh my god! William, stop!
What are you doing with my marshmallow?
Stop it!
I'm gonna pay money for them!
Stop it! Stop fighting over the marshmallow! Oh, stop it! Stop! Yeah, I'm tired of talking about it. Stop it! I don't care about these guys. You got the funny and the funny. Stop it! Stop it! No! Stop it! Stop it!
You have one!
Stop it! Stop it!
Get off of me!
William, why did you cook his friends?
Why? Wait a minute. These are marshmallows. We could be eating these.
You're right.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Wait. What? This is nuts, man.
See? See, now you're
Yeah, man. Thank you.
Guys, please like the video, subscribe, check out all our channels, Violet First, Violet Second, Raging Gaming. Share, share, share. Click the little bell, please. And please pray for Andy's my friends. What are you doing? Oh my god. Oh, William, don't do that. Oh my gosh. Andy, back off all the way. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye.